Hi guys, my name is Hindu. Currently, I'm pursuing third year BTech in the stream of ECE from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. Currently, I done internship in an emertxe information of technology. In the internship, these are the my contents. What I learned in this internship: abstract, introduction to program, requirements, working of microwave oven, block diagram, fixing lab output, conclusion. So, what I learned in this internship. In this internship, I learned introduction to embedded C language and how to write a code in this C language, embedded C language. I learned conditional statements, arrays, loops, functions, strings, and others. Do while statements. I learned many conditions. So I also how learn how to write a code by using these functions. So after that, introduction to embedded system. In this introduction to embedded system, I learned how embedded system will work. Actually, embedded system definition is it is the combination of both hardware and software and use it for specific tasks. It is not used for general purposes like microprocessor is a general purpose, but not microcontroller. Microcontroller is used for only specific tasks. So, how microcontroller will work? So next, how to write a code for embedded systems means how to it will perform and how to write a code and how which outputs it will give. So how to test the code and how it will work in the fixing lab. And I also learned how to rectify the outputs in the C language, embedded C language, and how to test in the Pixim lab means it will working or not, how to check it. I learned about the peripherals like PIC16, F877 where I learned how the pull up pull down transistor will works and LED ports uh, means about the PIC16 F877A microcontroller and how it will works. I learned it means. So next, project implementation. How to implement a project and how to it will work. I learned in this internship how it will execute. So come to abstract. I complete my embedded system internship in emertxe information technology and I learned how to write a code for embedded systems using the embedded C language. So next, come to embedded system definition. This is the user information means like sensors, keyboards, switch. This all comes under embedded system. Means for example, it it all the input devices. It all the input devices. We can use for only specific task. For example, we use fingerprint sensor for sensing the prints at will it will go and we will it will use for the operating and keyboard system it will use for the operating various type of domains like ticket vending machine and ATMs we use for the purpose switch only use for on off purpose you cannot use any other purposes switch. So here come to input variables we will give the software code in this and hardware means the SOC means system of chip it is a hardware and the system of chip we will write the code how to implement it, and where it will start, and what it will display. By using the LCD, we can see these are the output of peripherals. And come to introduction. Embedded system is the microcontroller based system, and it will design for the specific function. Integrated both means I previously tell now that it is a combination of both hardware and software, and use it to perform real-time operations. We use means real-time operations means we will give in it will give the instant output. For example, we will press one, it will display one within minutes, within seconds only it will display. So that's why we will call it the real-time operations. So user interface. So we can use for various purposes. But microcontroller is used for only specific tasks. Means it will already predefine what can it will do. It will already predefine. We cannot erasable. It is a volatile memory. Okay. As comes to examples of the embedded system, mm, it will touch sensor panels, IoT connection, and AI based cooking reminders for the for example, we will display now anything will be the embedded system. Like we will turn on the fan. Switch is the embedded system because it will only perform on or off operation, but it will cannot perform any on or off operations. Means it will perform only on or off, but it will not perform any operations, no. So that's why switch is called as an embedded system. Here I can use MPLAB XIDC version 5.35. In this MPLAB I use X8 compiler. For checking and seeing the output, I will use the PiximLab. For checking, for example, in MPLAB we write a code what the function can do and how it will do functionalities. I will write in the PiximLab. I will write in code. In PiximLab, I will check the output, how it will work. If there is any error in the program, actually we can see in only MPLab, but we will see that how it will work. In PiximLab, we see that how it will work. So as come to the working of the micro oven is it will heat the food. It will heat the food and it will prepare the food. We use it for the various sequences. In micro oven, use frequencies is one is industrial specific. We use for only specific task. Micro oven only can do it will heat the food, but not use any purposes. No, it will only heat the food or cook the food. So that's why mm, it is the embedded system. For example, washing machine. Washing machine only can do the wash the clothes, but washing machine principle cannot work in a micro oven. No? So it will already predefine. Microcontroller means it will already predefine. We cannot erasable. We can use for only the specific task. This is all the working principle of the micro oven. Now come to the this is the block diagram of the micro oven. This is the power supply, and this all only is predefined in system on chip or else embedded system. This is the keypad. By using this keypad, we can operate the microwave oven. Wait, I will show you how the micro oven will work. Here, this is the program. This is the header files for the program. This is the header files for the program. These four are the CLCD heads, main dot heads, matrix keypad dot heads, timers dot heads. This all the header files for the program. The CLCD, ISRC, main.c, matrix keypad, timers.c. These are the used for write a code. So I will explaining the code now. In this, we can use the main.h. Okay. Here we can use the watchdog timer. Means watchdog timer means it will work as if for example if anything for example if we are using phone, if the phone will hang, uh, we can use the something settings and we can do it will perform as usual. So watchdog is also same in embedded system. If the system, if the embedded system was working low and it will stop the on this time watch slow timer will enable and it will set the embedded system automatically. Here fan off. First we will see that the fan only off in in Pixim lab. We can see that the fan in first we can operate anything, the fan will off. Here there is no buzzer. Here door, if the door is open it will show the display menu free. Suppose for example if you press the key one it will go to the micro mode. If you press key 2 means we write the code that we will, for example if you press the key 2 it will work a grill mode. We press the key 1 it will work a micro mode. Next, third one, key 3. We will press the key 3, it will work as conventional mode. By pressing the key 4, it will work as clear. Time display. So, these are the program. This is the time delay. Means there is some time delay. Means we can, that only the output will come exact. If you press key 1, it will on. Wait, I will show you. I will this clean and unbuild this project. Means execute this. So it will successfully build. There is no errors in the code. Now I will go to the Pixin Lab page. In the Pixin Lab. So in starting it will showing power on micro oven. So see here it will show you four modes: micro, grill, convention, start. By pressing these keys we can operate this micro or grill mode, convention mode or start mode. For example if I press key 4 it will start automatically. Means it will, we will give you the time limit 30 seconds. If you start this it will automatically operate in 30 seconds. See here it will decreasing the time. For this decreasing time we use the if for loop statement. Find ends I decrement I minus minus. So it will on this fan also. This fan also be rotating. When it will come to timer it will stop. So if for example if I will press micro mode, I will pressing the key one. So it will asking me to set up the time. We set up 60 seconds. Okay. We will set up 60 seconds here. And if you want to clear this, we have to press the start key. So it will clear. So by using these keys also, we can set that up. So if you want to start this, we have to press the key star. So see here, it will start and the food will be cooked, heating. So if you want to stop here, we can press the key 6. You can press the key 6, it will automatically stop. For example, so see, if you press the key 5, it will pass, means it will stop. It cannot do anything for anything. Suppose 4 will pass it, and we will pass it by using the crispy mm, key 5, and we will start this by using press the key 4. So it will start rotating. These are the port bees, and this is the reset. Means we want to reset if anything will be problem in this execution. If you reset, it will automatically comes under the first by deleting all this. So you see here, we use the IC. By using this IC, we can implement this all. This is the PIC 16877A. We can use here USB, RB2, RB1, RB0. This all the we here use relays also. Buzzer, but here we are unable to get the buzzers on, so that's why. So see here, it will comes to 00, means your food is ready. It's time up, and it automatically turn off. So it is the output of my. So you can see the convention mode. In this convention mode, we can set the type, means temperature. For example, I will set the 100 temperature. So I will enter it. Means preheating. It will preheat. So it will preheat. So come to code. We will see the main.h. Yeah. Main.h, see here, define power on, define reset. This we are giving this all for the execution of this program. In the CLCD also we write a code. See here, this is the code for the micro oven timer stored. See here, clcd.h. This is all the code for the micro oven and how it will work. See, this is the micro oven block diagram, and this all will is in the system of shape like IC, IO ports, and another sub requirements. See here, this is the output. Just I will attach in the PPT. This is the output of my Pixelva. Finally, I conclude that in this internship, I learned so many things, how to implement it. I learned the new language, uh, I think I will thank first of all I will thankful to emerge information technologies. This internship will helpful me for the future dream because my dream is to become a embedded engineer. So by this I will learn so many things. Thanks for emerging information technology. Thank you, one and all.